And I chose this park because of the fact that Ghost is actually not allowed at this park, and it's actually a little too warm for him today, so it works out perfectly. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Good evening, whenever you are watching this video. Thank you for joining us on our morning walk today. It is a beautiful Sunday morning, about an hour after sunrise. It's about 60 degrees out here, Fahrenheit. And I am excited for the next week. I actually had a fun weekend, possibly having some more fun that I will be bringing you guys along for the ride for if it happens later. Not exactly sure what's happening, but there is a supposed adventure happening with me and my buddy. We did one yesterday. It was a lot of fun. I meant to vlog it, guys. Totally meant to vlog it. I got there, he pulled in within minutes after me, and I completely forgot to turn on the camera. And halfway through our adventure, I was like, you know, I meant to vlog this, but it's okay. Guys, sometimes... What the hell, man? I was just bombarded with like 2 bees in my face. I don't wear perfume. Why were they all up on me? Where was I? Oh, yes. I meant to record and forgot, and I was like, you know what? It's fine, because you know what? Sometimes you just have to live in the moment. Don't touch your phone. Don't touch your camera. The only time I touched my phone yesterday was to look at my All Trails app because we were hiking and to make sure we were going in the right direction. And it's a good thing I did, because there were a couple areas where we thought we were on the right trail and it came to a dead end. And apparently we had missed a turnoff. So, yeah, it was a good adventure today, or yesterday, and possibly going on one again today. Ghost did not join me. It was a little too warm for him. By 10 o'clock, it was almost 80 degrees, which is too warm for him. So he did not go. And it was just me and my buddy, which was very nice. And we made plans for possibly doing it again today. So we'll see. But again, it'll be too warm for him today. So I still got him out here for his morning walk. And it's so nice. So nice. I'm happy to have my weekends back. It's one of the things I'm very excited for. This coming week is my last week of part 1 of training. So I'm excited for that. I went online last night and bought a couple things for my desk. So that'll be fun when I get my desk and I set it up, or I add things, or I decorate it for the holidays. Don't worry, you guys will see it. I like decorating. I like making things homey, and that's what I'm doing. So I don't know exactly what's happening today, but I wanted to jump on here. If the adventure doesn't end up happening, I'll come back on here and give you guys a little bit more information about what's going on. But right now, I would like to turn on my audiobook and enjoy my walk with my floof. Well, we are in fact doing a little adventure today. I am waiting for my buddy to get here. He is actually pulling down the street as we speak. We are doing a little hike here at Tinker Nature Park. And I chose this park because of the fact that Ghost is actually not allowed at this park, and it's actually a little too warm for him today, so it works out perfectly. So let's go on this adventure. Well, guys, as you saw, we did indeed go on an adventure today. Like I said, Ghost did not go, so we actually went to a nature park that for some odd reason doesn't allow dogs. So we took advantage of that. We did a lap and a half around, and then we ended the day. So we hiked for about an hour and a half, just under an hour and a half, and we got about almost 2.5 miles in. So it was a nice little hike. My buddy is trying really hard to get out of the house more and be active, and I love hiking. And he's one of the more reasonable people to be around. There's literally no drama, which I love. So, no drama, nature therapy, good hangout buddy. It works out. So, if you guys have watched this far, thank you so much for watching. I am going to finish my very short evening walk with Ghost. I felt so bad that he couldn't join us this weekend on both of our adventures, because we went yesterday to a park and then we went today to a park as well. Both days were a little too warm for him by the time we went, and I felt bad. So we're giving him a little short evening walk to appease him. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next video. Mosquitoes are real, guys.